Nicolo Bulega expects a tough World Supersport campaign on Ducati's return to the series in 2022 for the first time since 2007. Bulega has spent the last 3 seasons in Moto2 and he's now moved to World Supersport with the Aruba Ducati team. Ducati, of course, are allowed to re-enter the series following a shake-up of the rules, which allows their V2 Panigale to compete. Speaking at the Aruba Racing Ducati team launch, Bulega added, "I'm very motivated for this new adventure. It's a great opportunity for me and I feel like I have all the requirements to do well. The tests have been very positive and I feel comfortable both with the Panigale V2 and the team, which is important to me. It's going to be a tough season for sure, and for this reason we need to put our heads together and try and get the most out of every single race." World Supersport as a whole this year will be worth a watch, with a massive rule shake-up meaning the racing could be extremely close. So rather than just inline fours, you're now allowed to run 900cc twins, 800cc triples, so MV Agusta F3 800 is in, Ducati Panigale V2 is in, Triumph Daytona 765 triple is in, KTM 890 Duke R, which is an 890cc twin. With such a mixed grid, the final regulations are yet to be formulated, but they will be looking to try and keep the racing as close as possible, and I'm sure it will be reviewed throughout the season. So World Supersport is definitely going to be an interesting year. But what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. What bike would you be having for World Supersport domination? And how do you think it's going to go? And who do you think is going to be a front runner?